Encountering AppModel Runtime Error 79 on Windows 11? In this video, I'll show you how to fix it with a few easy steps. Use the Windows and R key combination to open Run. Type CMD and press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter. Type the command below and hit Enter. sfc/scano. Wait for the scan to finish. Check if the issue is fixed. If the problem still persists, open Command Prompt again as admin using steps 1 and 2 above. Type the following command and press Enter. DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore health. After the command executes, open the application and check if the runtime error still exists. Open Run. Type PowerShell and press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter to open PowerShell as admin. Copy and paste the command given below. Now open the application and check if the error is resolved. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.